Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Saira Zaman Khan, and the purpose of my content is to share with students the knowledge which I have acquired over the long journey of my career as a Cambridge accounts teacher. So, to begin with, we will look at the most important tool, which is our Cambridge O level syllabus. Now, we need to use the latest syllabus. So currently the syllabus which we have is effective for the year 2020, 2021 and 2022. Now Cambridge O-level syllabus is actually at the same standard as Cambridge IGCSE. So students of Cambridge O-level and Cambridge IGCSE are going to find this video equally beneficial. When can this examination be taken? The examination is available in June and November, both series, and it can be taken privately too. So, the first thing which we are going to discuss is what is going to be assessed and how it's going to be assessed. That is our assessment overview, examination overview, paper pattern, and then syllabus content. Now, O-level accounting paper. Students will have to take two papers. The first paper is titled as paper 1. It's an MCQ paper. Duration is 1 hour 15 minutes and students will have to attempt 35 questions provided with multiple choices. Questions will be based on the entire syllabus. So we don't have any specific thing for that. Of course, we need to prepare the whole syllabus for that. Paper 2, on the other hand, is our structured paper. That is, we will have to attempt questions there. We'll have to solve the question, fill the format, so on, so forth. We will discuss that in detail too. This paper is of 100 marks. Duration is 1 hour 45 minutes. Weightage. Paper 1 contains 30% of the entire grade, whereas paper 2 contains 70%. After assessment overview, we have syllabus overview. The latest syllabus is divided into 7 sections. The first and second section are about fundamental of accounts, where double entry system, T accounts, source document, books of prime entry, these all things are discussed. Third section is about reconciliation, and there we deal with bank reconciliation statement, control account, errors and their rectification, which of course includes suspense account too. 4 is based on accounting procedure related to depreciation, bad debts provision, and adjustments of accruals and prepayment. Now, students really feel challenged in this section if they are asked to prepare T accounts or provide double entry. For example, they really struggle if they are asked to prepare T account for provision for depreciation or any income account or expense account, including the transfer, the year-end transfer to income statement. Therefore, while these topics are being prepared, a lot of attention should be paid to double entry and T account related to them. Now, section 5 is about preparation of financial statements of sole traders, partnership, and few extracts of limited companies too. It also includes, of course, final accounts of non-profit oriented organization and manufacturing businesses. Students usually focus on this section to acquire the knowledge of formats, and they compromise on other section, which is actually not the right approach, because in order to produce financial statements properly and correctly with very clear idea, Basic accounting must be focused on. So, section 1, section 2, and section 4. These sections play an important and integral role while when financial statements are being prepared. So, no compromise should be made there. Section 6 is about ratios calculation and their interpretation. This particular section is relatively easier as it is already part of business studies syllabus and students do it there in much more detail. Yet they find the commenting part quite challenging, which should not be the case if they have acquired the proper knowledge of structuring their answer. Section 7 is about basic accounting principles and policies and their application. This is probably the easiest section as the terms used here are repeated throughout and it deals with just the basic knowledge and theory of these concepts. So, with the discussion of assessment overview and syllabus content, we have answered two important questions that is, what is to be examined and how it's to be examined. In our next discussion, we will discuss the changes in the syllabus. Thank you so very much. Hope everybody finds this useful. Please remember me and my loved ones in your prayers. Stay blessed.